Let's see how we can render this using the BPR rendering. So I will go to the render option here, and then I will hook this on the left side so I can see the whole thing here. And I can go to the BPR render pass here. Now I have here the render option here, if, BPR. If I click on it, it will start rendering this, and you can see that it had rendered it, but just notice the shadow is a little bit, you can see that it's kind of sharp over here. And plus there is not clear ambient occlusion here. So if I can turn on my ambient occlusion, okay, let's do one thing. Let's go to the render option here, uh, preview AO, turn on the occlusion for a while. Okay, so this can help us to modify our ambient occlusion from here. But let's go to the render pass, try to render it again. So you can see that it's creating quite good ambient occlusion, but it's too high. So I can go here, reduce the intensity of it. Okay, radius I can increase, blur up a little bit, quality a little bit more. Now if I will go to my BPR here, I will keep everything same as it is, but I will go to the BPR render pass. Then if I will click it here, better than before. However, let's work on the shadow right now. The shadow kind of looks a little bit, uh, you know, like it's too sharp. So what I can do here is that I can go to the BPR shadow option, and in the BPR shadow option, I have here a raise and I have here angles. Let's increase the raise here. Let's increase the angle here as well, and then render again just to see how the shadow looks like now. Yeah, now it kind of looks good. Okay, so let's play with the light setup here. Let's do some light positioning and all those kind of thing here. So I will go to the light setup here. You can see the where is the light here. It's kindly at this spot. So I will bring it in the front area or right on the top. Okay. And now if I will go here in the render pass, click it here just to see if there is any change. Yes, kind of a dramatic change is there. So I think I moved it right on the top, so I can go back here, move it a bit in front. Okay, now try. Okay, looks better. Now I can go to the BPR filters here, and I have here this filter. This is turned on. Okay, and what else I can do is I can turn on, like it is already turned on, and I will click on this little tiny circle here, and when I click on this tiny circle, it will turn on my filter. Now this filter is a noise filter here. Basically, it's known as the noise filter. So if I go and change this to something else, I have a lot of filters here, and the one new filter that 2021.5 version brought here is known as radial overlay. So if I will click on the radial overlay, you can see that it gives me this sort of a penumbra or fall off or spotlight sort of feeling over here. So I can change the position of this filter, and so many other things I can do here. So there are a lot of different options here to change. I can go to the modifier as well, and I can change the position, you can see, of that spotlight. I can move it up, I can move it down, and you can see that my floor is on right now, so it is applying on my floor as well. So apply to floor as well, or no. So it is without floor, with floor. With floor, I think it looks good. I can increase the fall off, okay, a bit. I can use in and out position, like back and forth position, radius of the light. So the way you want it to be. Okay, so this is how you can create like with this new uh, modify filter here. I think I have increased it a lot. Okay, and move it up. I don't want it to be too bright here. So kind of a mysterious look I can give it to it. Radial over opacity, I can reduce it or increase it of this, or I can change the radial overlay here. So it's a good new filter that I really liked to give this sort of a uh, like a dramatic feeling to your uh, like your models here. So quite nice one, and I hope you liked this new filter here. So if you have enjoyed my video, please click on the like button, and I will be uploading new lessons, tutorials, live sessions, and full courses along with other useful videos. So don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can get all the notifications. I will highly appreciate if you will give a shout out to my channel on your social media account, which will help me to get more subscriber, and this will motivate me to create more content for you all. So guys, thanks a lot for your support, and please continue supporting me, and take care of yourself till we meet for the next lesson.